Good morning to everybody. Today we will start a new project, how to prepare pen stand. सबसे पहले we will pray Lord Ganesh to bless us for our betterment in life. So पहले सभी बच्चे बोलिए ओम गणेशाय नमः. Let us start today about the project pen stand. So before starting, I am telling the requirements. So the name of the project is pen stand, and the aim of the project is to acquire knowledge how to make a pen stand from waste material and to know the correlations with other subject and prepare a best material from waste. So for preparing this project, the tools required are cutting plier, insulated combination plier, scissor, and the materials required are any medicine packets which you have already used, or any bamboo piece or clay pot and or water bottle, ribbon, beads, glue and color paper. So these are the material required. Then we'll start the procedure how to prepare this project. So that is first, it is of two parts, that cutting into required shapes and decorating as per your choice. Okay, now you see, in our home we are using the vitamin medicine packets, and you are throwing that packets. In that packet you will prepare a new materials or best material from the waste, that is the pen stand. So the first procedure is to, this is the scissor. First you take any medicine box you take and you cut the medicine box as per the requirements to different pieces. They say I have cut the top portion because if it is long then it will not look nice. So according to your requirements you take the piece, and after taking the piece then you take the color paper and the glue. And the color paper, suppose you take the color paper, and whatever the color paper you take according to your wish you take, and you cover this color paper and cut the extra portions. Then here I am showing the process what already it is done, that you take and it is color paper or any wrapped, that is your suppose gift box, whatever the you are giving in your birthday, then you keep that and you use that to cover this. And now it is the prepared, that is your box pen stand, and you can keep your pen or anything else here. Here you can keep anything, whatever you like, your pen or anything. So now it is the pen stands, already prepared pen stand. Similarly, you see here the other methods. What I have taken the medicine box you take, and you see, suppose you have to cut these papers into pieces. So I have cut one piece here and you rotate it. You rotate like this manner, and according to your choice you color it. You see here it is the cylindrical shape, and you color this, you cut like this manner and you color according to your choice, and by glue you fix like this manner, you fix the glue, or according to your wish you cut the design. So either any design you can cut, and you can color the strips, paper strips. Now it is another, you see here, this is another way to prepare the pen stands. Again, there is also another methods. Suppose this is also a medicine box, and you take the glazed paper, color paper, and the beads to decorate. Here, whatever the beads are available in the market, and you can fix by your glue or quick fix. So here it is the design you see. So according your choice, you can make any design, and this color paper is one attractive one. Similarly, in our house, you see, you throw the box or the bottle, plastic bottle, and which is also dangerous for the environment, and you color it and design it. So here your drawing capacity or drawing ability will develop by doing like this manner, and you can keep your pen stand or anything else. Similarly, suppose sometimes in home also you have seen that the tenth person throw these small pieces of bamboo, and you can cut according your choice. I have cut like this manner, one angles through one angle, and you color it, and you can keep your pen or pencil or anything in that box. So you see, you color and you make any design also, you can do the designs. So this is another types of your pen stand. Similarly, you see here the pot. So in this pot you color it, and again there are many designs, you see the flower and the leaves. So whatever design you can develop or you can do the drawing here, any design, and it will be one decorative one, and you can use this for your keeping pen or any pencil, scale, etc. Similarly, you can see here also another types. Suppose this is another type. Whatever I have told you that you take the box and cut the box according your wish, and make the make the paper cylinder. And suppose one long paper you take, long paper, suppose it's a long paper ले सकते हैं, इसको you do like this manner, the cylindrical shape, and whatever the color you like, you color it, and or suppose this is white, so you keep according your wish, you cut and make the design and color it. So you will get another pen stand, and it is also there are different partitions. Suppose you can keep your pencils or your pen or anything else in this partition. So this is one another decorative one, and you can keep the beads and you can design according your wish. So this will be a better one. Similarly, another types I am showing you. Suppose this is the powder, Pond's powder. Pond's powder, after using your throwing, you take this and you cut the required shapes or required portions, and you color it by the you take the wool or your thread, different colors thread. This is thread. You rotate like this mirror, and it will be this is one surface, and in that surface you can take the beads or whatever. Now we have celebrate the Rakhi, and you can use the old Rakhi, and you paste by Fevicol, you stick it and you design it. You see here, this is design. So this waste Rakhi also now it is a very beautiful decorative items for this pen stand, and these are available in the markets, and the beads you fix by Fevicol, then it is one better and decorative items. Okay, so from this also you will earn or you will get a full satisfaction that I have prepared the pen stands. So we will now discuss about the correlations of this project with mathematics. So whatever you see, so you can get the mathematics idea. Suppose you are preparing this pencil box, suppose you want to color. So what is the surface area? So this is the rectangular portion. So you can get the surface area by using your area of the rectangle, that is length into breadth. Similarly, you can find the area of the four walls. Suppose when the problem is coming that find the area of the four walls to whitewashing. So now you can get your area of the four walls. Similarly, suppose this top layer, that is we will not color the suppose this RCC slab. So you can get like this manner different things idea about your mathematics. Similarly, your next is your environmental science. Suppose these persons they are throwing these things, and it is for environmental disorders. So you can keep it or you can use it, and this will help you to save the life of others and clean environment. So these are about your pen stands. So and similarly, suppose you will ask that, sir, what is the benefit in English? So in English, whatever you are writing the procedures or whatever you are doing, that automatically you will get the idea of English. Suppose the pen stand. This is the spelling you will get pen stands. Similarly, when you are writing the procedure, you will get the tense, use of tense, and other things. So these are about the pen stands. Thank you.